Do you hear that? Exactly. Silence. This is what is missing in most people's lives, and they don't even know it. Good morning, folks. Doing sunrise here in the Bentonite Formation, or the Morrison Formation. Awesome clouds out this way. Great, like cloud color. The likelihood of it actually making out this way is very low with how dense the clouds are over there, but you know, you get what you get. I'm not even including any sky on this composition because of the lack of cloud color. As I was leaving this spot to another spot, light came in and it is looking amazing. The light streaks that's beginning to form in this massive valley, cutting across from like skinny to wide, is at the very end of my composition. I did not think we were going to get any light this morning, but oh, we got it. Not for long, but it's here. This composition is looking right now. Probably going to move locations and try to photograph the Henry Mountains with all of these layers, because that's also looking extremely nice right now. Do you hear that? Exactly. Silence. This is what is missing in most people's lives, and they don't even know it. Don't even know what they're missing out on. I know. I have an astro photography workshop coming up here in July, and I've scouted another section of Bentonite, not crazy far from here. This section just has so much more to offer, I think. So many more mounds that you can get beneath and, you know, photograph up with the Milky Way coming above them or arcing over. This Bentonite Formation is so fascinating. So many lines and colors and mounds and shapes. Such a fun place to photograph. Generally, I never have on even a semi-wide angle, you know, even 50 millimeters is sometimes too wide for this place. I find if you can, you know, use a focal length like 100 to 400 or something along those lines, you get better results because of just how much is here and how many crazy different lines there are. It just feels chaotic most of the time, but this morning, a couple compositions I was lined up on, I was about that 35 to 50 millimeter range, and I think I'll be pretty happy with those. Now, there's so much here to explore. It's like this one area is minuscule compared to what is actually here.